6,000. 605. No?
That's very big amount.
Big.
What is the actual profit of the contract at 10%?
No.
Usually they'll show more percentage, but when they cover na, when they receive na, they will receive only 60,000 only. That is the profit, 10%. They don't go above 10%. Very rarely. Maybe this NAS na, only they are maybe getting more percentage since they are completing before time. The work you complete before time only is the profit. If you delay, then you will be incurring more cost on your staff, first of
Yes,
all, and the resources which you have brought up there, machineries.
machinery, overhead, no? They keep on delaying publication, the delivery of materials.
That is delayed actually.
Yeah.
When it will rain in Bahrain now. Last week they predicted,
It's getting,
nothing happened.
no, it's not cloud.
Sorry?
No,
It
still.
looks like something like clouds.
Yeah, no.
Something like, yeah. Mini clouds.
Maybe end of this month it will,
Rain.
no. Rain.
Let's see. Let's hope.
So every weekend, where you go out?
Yeah. Today evening actually we are going out. Yesterday also we supposed, but I don't have a car now. So today it was a
Postpone.
labor holiday for me. Once I come from office, I'll drop my kids for tuitions.
Session.
Yeah, then I will bring them back for tuitions like that. The time will go up. So yesterday I slept at home.
Good rest. That bridge there, no?
Yeah.
We go. One time we go in Namala, no? That swimming pool.
Yeah. It's like month of
Club.
August.
One time we go there in the club,
Which club?
Filipino club. We have a meeting there. There is a pool. Yeah, in
Hamla.
Where is the Filipino club now?
Huh?
Which area club?
Yeah,
You have
in our
people to
club, we conduct our meeting there. The pool, we rent the pool. So that the kids, no, they can
Swim.
enjoy the,
Enjoy swimming.
because they can bring your family. This is a mall, Baya.
Yeah, this Kingdom Mall. Even I never came here. It's open. I don't know. Hello.
Kingdom Mall.
I'm very near to the Saudi Causeway, na? Jasra. I'm coming from Jasra.
Jasra.
Yeah, keep
District
taking it
Mall.
line. I will come.
Kingdom Mall.
That bridge, Baya. You go up, no?
You can take the bridge also, or we can go straight also. Up to you. Better go straight.
Straight, yeah, better.
Straight and be on the right track.
Go right now,
Yeah. Be on the right track. Thank you. If you go that road also, you have to take a U-turn. You will come up above the bridge, but there is a signal. Here there is no signal from here.
Yeah.
The free ride is there.
Oh, they will make a new
Bridge, yeah.
bridge also. Yeah.
Already in construction.
Fly over bridge.
From here, if you go straight, then you will go Saudi Causeway.
Yeah.
There is no turn. There is no turn after this.
No, one time I go straight, then I go to the gate. Oh, sorry sir, I'm lost. Then he told me go there at that exit.
And there is exit there also. They will show the exit. But that is the Causeway gate. right side area you are seeing now, this is called Jasra area.
Oh, okay.
It's a very good area, Michiani. Villas like that, and very high profile people are here.
No,
Few of them.
just from
Straight.
I never been there.
This is left side and right side now, Hamana area. Hamana.
Yeah, that side there we remember we
There are
have a-
swimming pools there.
Yeah, this is very high profile area left side also.
Hmm.
This Kanu has his properties here also.
Oh, no.
Mm.
The Toyota Kanu.
Betul-betul area.
Sorry.
I think this side.
Side we went here.
My project was here on the left side. The luxury villa for Kanu when I was internal.
Yeah, when you are internal. You give your car, no, Bhaiya?
Hmm?
You issue car, no?
No, they are issuing cars, yeah, in the project. The silly thing they are doing.
Still now, they are still have project, they're not
No, Tata close now.
close now.
Mostly close. This is British school.
Oh, this one, I don't know this long time.
Yeah, very long time. This school.
First time I see this. No, I passed this before. I don't know the British school.
This itself is a British school. This compound. The gate is
It's
from the right
BDF
side.
here, right?
Yeah. BDF is
I
next.
don't know.
First is Betelco, then BDF.
Oh.
The school entrance is from this right.
Mm.
But the
It's all school compound, but the entrance is from there.
Okay.
See, British School of Marriage.
There is one British school also in Salmabad. That
This is Betelco
Britos.
compound. Oh, that is British.
Before it was
British, huh?
Philippine school.
Oh, okay.
It's Amaga.
This is Betelco Towers.
Oh, this one.
ah,
Main Betelco
Tower.
Main Betelco.
network supplier from here.
The main tower here.
Yeah, small, I think there's some. Then from that grill, it is BDF. After that.
There is also bus here.
Yeah, I don't know where it goes and where.
number 14.
Yeah, bus now everywhere, no?
Everywhere, but you know, if you're traveling long now, the bus will not go straight. Means if you have to come, let us say Rifa, the bus first it will go Isata inside and it will take you Jidari, then it will go Rifa like that.
Yeah. Very cheap here, the bus.
Yeah, cheap also. Good, bus condition also good. But only time, it will take a time.
Yeah, it will take time.
It don't go with the straight road. It will go inside and it will connect some passengers there. It will drop back. So this is BDF right and left. Training
This
center.
one, no? Oh, right here. With the sides, huh?
This is the training center right side. That is I think offices. On weekdays, the full parking will be busy. This is all ground now.
Mm.
It's a big area, no?
I don't know. They have only one track here.
One lane only, no?
When that office closes now 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock, very rush.
Yes. This here a sign before here. Yeah, I came once here, Bhaiya. Clear area.
Mm.
There
Yeah,
Another
that one.
There?
Ah, that is the Nisto. There.
Oh, that is Hamala. Hamala.
Ah, that is Hamala. Nisto.
This one is
Hamala.
this one.
Hamala.
You can take a right from here.
Okay. No entry.
No entry, but we can go here. We can take a left. Huh? These all entrances are like that here. These 3 entrances are there.
Mm.
At least this road is better to come. From that side, if you come, the next one, the road is very.
The garage is here, there.
Sorry?
The garage there.
Garage is in this line after that Nesto line. Between Nesto and Reef 11. Just little further there. There are so many garages are here.
No, there. No.
And actually here the garages are cheap.
Oh, yeah, because
That's why he gave it here.
very far, no?
Yeah, very far. And you know, here what he's doing for 30 BD, if you do it there, it will be 40 BD.
So this is cheaper.
You go here?
Yeah, just take a right on the Reef 11. My car line is there. He will come here, the Kentucky, the KFC he will come. Left.
Here?
Or if you want to go out, the exit also. Careful, here the roads are not. This is the same Reef 11, what we have near Exhibition Road now. He has the second branch here.
Mm.
So yeah, this road. These roads are not good here. All of them. You can take from this way.
Left or
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. You can go. Right side there is a space. Okay, slowly. Let's stop here. He will come here actually. In this line he is coming from where I know.
Here, will be here?
No, I'll wait. You can leave. Huh? He will come definitely. I told you, I already spoke to him. Somewhere inside this garage. Last time I dropped the car here only. Yeah?
Oh,
he
then
went
he
inside.
took.
He took the car and he went inside.
Oh, you did not bring.
No, he came here instead of maybe I get confused like that.
Mm. Pull him.
Yeah. No, you can move, huh? I'll stay here. Huh?
Huh?
No issues.